channel. My name is Nena. If you don't know, today's video is going to be showing you how I do and assemble and what I'm going to be putting in my labor and delivery and maternity goodie bags, maternity nurses goodie bag. The goodie bags for my nurses for when I deliver my baby, which is very soon. I will show you what I'm going to be putting in their baggies. This is the second year I do them. Last year I did them for that youngster over there, and I thought it was really nice. They appreciate it. I think I should say thank you for when they are well behaved, right? Because last time some of them were not very nice. So I'm going to show you what I will put in their baggies. It's very affordable. I think it's a nice gesture. So let's go ahead and get started by showing you what I have included. I will show you the baggies. I already have seen, you have seen these in a haul I have made already from the 99-cent store. These are 12 pieces of baggies. I'm not doing all 12. I'm only doing 6, I think. And they were $2.99. I'm also going to include a face mask. One of them is a tiger and the other one's a panda. They're 2 in a box. I would also include either a lip gloss or a nail polish. I will include, I'm going to be using these little baggies, but I will include a bath bomb. It's either a bath bomb from Unicorn Tears or a bath bomb from Under the Sea. There's 6 in a pack, and I had this from the 99-cent store. It's also very good. And I will also add one of these Pure Growth Organics oatmeal bite baggies because they also need to have something with them to eat. I will also include a mini shaped notepad. This is totally different. One is a cupcake and the other one's a ladybug. And I will also include a pen. All these items are way different from last, like 2 years past, because last time I have included other items that are totally different from the ones I'm going to be including on this year, but hopefully you guys like. So I have everything laid out here. I just wanted to show you that people suck. They totally suck. Why would they do that? They was the only ones, the face masks. So I had to have 2 pandas and 4 tigers. And on the panda one, they took out one and replaced it with a green tea. And I only have 1 panda. The tiger, one of the tiger ones did have 2 of the tigers. And the other tiger box had the pomegranate one. They suck. Why people? Why would you do that? Why? For the bath bombs, I put them in a little baggie. And I'm going to do so they know it's a bath bomb. I put them in a baggie. I'm going to put this wire thing right next to it, like so. And I'm going to cut the excess out because the bag is too big and it's just waste. And then I have included a little label here with what it is and the smell of it. So I have included bath bomb, and we'll stick it right in the corner, and the bath bomb looks like this. Now let's get to assembling. The goodie bags for my nurses. I did target them to be all women. I have seen male nurses, but I did target it to women. I am so sorry, but this is the final look. This is how they look. I have tied it so both of the, maybe you can see better here, both of the lines here are grabbed and nothing spills out from the travel. It is 30 minutes away from my home, but this is the final product. I think they look very cute. Hopefully they like everything I put in there. And that is all for today's this one's kind of flopping out. That is all for today's video. Hope you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Put on the little bell on so it reminds you when I have a new video. If you like this kind of a videos, comment down below. What was your favorite item that I put in the goodie bag? You wish you were a nurse? Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe.